Greetings, multimedia students. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. This one is about the graphic design posters. Yesterday we did a Nearpod presentation on the principle of design contrast, and we're going to be going through 4 of them. We're going to be doing the crap poster. That's right, the crap poster. So contrast, repetition, alignment, and proximity. Contrast is our first poster. So we're going to be doing a paper and digital version for all of these. And we started the paper version yesterday. So here's an example of a student paper that used the element of contrast. So we have the rectangles that are different colors, so blue, green, and orange, and then the actual fonts are a contrasting color. So they're using the color contrast feature, so purple on green and pink on orange. So that's a good self-drawn. So now we're going to go and make this in Canva as a digital design. Or if you choose, you can do it in PowerPoint or some other digital tool. But I'm going to show you in Canva, and I might even make a tutorial in PowerPoint as well. So how do we do this in Canva? Let's find out. So this is what I made already. So I'm going to show you how I did this one. You guys can use any colors and font colors and anything else, and so you want to try to match the one that you're drawing. But what's nice about the digital version is you can make it better because the tools are easier to use, and it has nothing to do with your artistic ability as far as drawing is concerned. So when we get to Canva through Clever, this is the page that we see, and you want to make sure it says DeWolf High, otherwise you're not in your full account with all the good tools. So what we're going to do is right here, this button that says custom size. We're going to click that, and we want 11 by 8 because we want not the portrait mode, we want the landscape mode. So we want it to be wider than tall. So we're going to go 11 by 8, which is a standard size for a paper. And this is going to start out as pixels. You don't want that. You want inches. And you want to go 11 by 8. You're going to create a new design. So now you've got something that looks like a piece of paper. And we're going to go and we're going to add our shapes. So that is elements, and we'll go to shapes, and we'll use the rectangle and stretch it across. And I'll tell you, since I've already done one, you want this height for them to be equidistant. You want these to be 2.7. Okay, so I've got one box, and I can duplicate. I don't want to duplicate the page, I want to duplicate this, so I'll do that. Do it one more time, and now I've got my 3 shapes. So to change the colors, I'm going to go like this, and the colors are right here. So I think I'm going to try to match. Let's try to do what's here. So I'm going to do blue and orange. So let's go with the blue like this. Next rectangle on this example was green, so I'm going to find a green. The next one was orange, so I'll find an orange. And the font color was orange up there, so I'm going to go to text, and you can use one of these ready-made ones if you'd like. Maybe I'll do this. Let's see what the sparkle looks like. That's kind of orange. Put this in here. We'll put the word contrast. And I want to take the size down so it fits. Okay. So now I've got the first one there. Center it, and the next one, according to that, I need something purple, so I can go find another one over here that's relatively like that, or I saw something purple. I'm going to use that. So again, I'm going to go contrast, put that into place right here. And then the last one was like a pink or a red, so I'll do that. And this retro one looks pretty red. Yep. So I'll put that down here, highlight, contrast. Adjust the size so that it fits in there. Stretch this out so it's, let's see, oops, there we go. Okay, so I've got my 3 contrasts in different colors than the boxes. Now we can go do some finishing touches. I'm going to put some borders around these, so if I click on the box and I click border style, I'm going to go up to like a 6 border, and I'm going to use the color from the font if I can, so that's right here. Nope, that's not what I want. I want the border color. So now the border matches what's inside the text. So I'm going to go over here, hit the border, and border range of 6. You can do whatever size you'd like, and I'm going to do a border color and kind of try to match. I think it's that one. And we'll do this border. So border style 6, and then we're going to try to do the border color with that red. And so we're basically done. If you wanted to like put some elements like, I don't know, some of these stickers maybe or something just to spruce it up, that's cool too. So that's what's neat about Canva. We can like put little things like this into there, and we'll be done. So how we turn this in? We go share. Make sure this says anyone with a link, and we copy that link and we put it into Google Classroom onto the assignment. And that is how you do the digital version of the contrast poster in Canva. Stay tuned for a tutorial on how to do it in PowerPoint, and I will see you back in class.